Looking at the four stocks IMNN Imunon Inc., PMAX PMAX Limited, DEVS Devvstream Corp., and GORV Lazydays Holdings Inc., there's a wide range of potential and risk. IMNN Imunon Inc. has a strong buy consensus from analysts, with some price targets projecting astronomical upside, even suggesting the possibility of a 3,000% gain from current levels. That said, it's important to recognize that the stock has dropped over 68% in the past year, which means those bullish targets might be based on older, more optimistic forecasts or simply reflect the high-risk, high-reward nature of the biotech sector. If you're comfortable with extreme volatility and speculation, IMNN could be worth a look, but it's definitely not for the faint of heart. PMAX PMAX Limited presents a more stable picture. The company has shown positive revenue growth, is currently profitable, and has improving margins and free cash flow. Technical analysis suggests it might be undervalued right now, with some forecasts pointing to a 28 to 35% upside in the coming months. However, the overall sentiment is still bearish, and the stock remains volatile. There isn't much analyst coverage, so you'd be relying more on the fundamentals and technical signals. For someone with a moderate risk appetite, PMAX could offer a reasonable balance between potential reward and risk, though it's still a play that requires caution. DEVS Devvstream Corp. is a mixed bag. The technical indicators are all over the place. Short-term moving averages are bearish, while long-term signals are more positive. The stock's 52-week range is incredibly wide, from $0.175 to $15.48, underscoring just how volatile it is. There's no clear consensus or strong analyst coverage, so this is a speculative bet at best. If you're looking for something with a clear trend or predictable performance, DEVS probably isn't it. But if you're comfortable with high risk and want to take a flyer, it might be worth a very small allocation. GORV Lazydays Holdings Inc. is in a tough spot. The stock is trading near its all-time lows, after falling more than 80% this year and over 86% last year. It's a shadow of its former self, having traded as high as $25.10 in 2021. Technicals show it's oversold, with an RSI below 25, but both the 50-day and 200-day moving averages are much higher, suggesting there's no real momentum for a turnaround. The company is still operating in the RV industry, but its market cap has shrunk to just $21 million. Unless you're looking for a pure speculative play hoping for a dead cat bounce, there's little here to suggest a sustainable recovery. Putting it all together, IMNN and PMAX stand out as the only names with some upside potential, but both come with significant risk, IMNN being extremely speculative, and PMAX offering a slightly more stable but still volatile opportunity. DEVS and GORV are highly speculative, with GORV in particular showing little sign of a turnaround. Like and subscribe.